What is going on, you guys? It is the day before the exam. Today is September 10th, 2020. We have a test tomorrow, and today is your day to study. So there is a one-question Google form up on the Google Classroom with only one option for your answer choice. So just go in there, click the option that says, yes, I understand all the information about the exam and that I have all day today to study and when the exam is due, all that stuff. Go in, click the answer. That'll give you your 10 points for today. That just confirms that you understand that today is your day to study. Right now, I am going to go over some of the information that's going to be on the test. I'm not going to be asking any questions, not going to be going over any material. I'm just going to give you the general layout of the test. The test is going to be 30 questions, multiple choice. Every question is going to be worth 2 points. So at 30 questions times 2 points, that means that there are 60 possible points to get on the exam, but the exam is only scored out of 50, which means you can get a 60 out of 50, which is 120%. Or you can miss 5 questions and still get 100. So there's extra credit factored into the exam. Now, I'm going to go over a little bit about the question breakdown and what you should be studying, what you think might warrant more studying, less studying, all that sort of stuff. So we went over 4 major empires, early civilizations. That was the unit. The 4 major empires were Babylon, Egypt, the Assyrian Empire, and the Persian Empire. There will be 5 questions on each of those. So that's 20 of the questions. There will be 5 on the Assyrian Empire, 5 on the Persian Empire, 5 on Egypt, and 5 on Babylon. So that's 20 out of the 30 questions right there. Then you're going to have 4 questions about what is a civilization, 4 questions on what is a civilization, 3 questions on the first civilization. So that web quest that we did last Tuesday, that was Mesopotamia. You should be able to find the link to that website still in Google Classroom. If you go back to September 1st lesson, you can go back to that website, look over the information on that website from the web search, the web quest, whatever you want to call it. Go over that information. There'll be 3 questions on the exam about that, and then there will be 3 questions on the Code of Hammurabi. So you can go back and watch my reaction video from last Thursday, September 3rd, and if you want to look through those, there were 6 codes that we went over. I gave my reaction to each, and 3 of those codes will be on the exam. So it'll say something like, if this happened, what was the Code of Hammurabi? What did it say should be the result? What would be the punishment? And then you'll select the right one. So I think one of the examples was if a son slaps his father, what was the punishment for the son? And the correct answer there was that his hand should be chopped off. That was the Code of Hammurabi. Again, the Code of Hammurabi is very, very strict, but important to know because it is the first written code of rules in humanity. So that's all I wanted to go over. I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Today is your day to review. Go back, watch those videos, watch the ones that you think are important. Remember, 5 questions on each of the empires, 4 questions on what is a civilization, 3 on that web quest we did, and then 3 on the Code of Hammurabi. Study how you will. If you don't think you need to study, that's on you. You don't have to. You can go in, click the Yes, I Understand option on today's Google Forms, get your free 10 points for today, and then wing it for the exam. That is your right. I do not recommend it. I would recommend that you study, even though there is extra credit factored into the exams. You want to do well on these exams. You want to get them done. They count for 50 points, which is how much a whole week of assignments is worth. So make sure you really take this exam seriously. You have 48 hours to do it. So get in there, get it done, and study hard today, you guys. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll be seeing each other tomorrow. There'll be another video posted with the test. So other than that, today is your day to study how you need to study. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I have office hours from 1:15 to 3 o'clock every day. I'll have office hours all day tomorrow. Today we have 2nd period at 10 o'clock, 4th period at 11 o'clock, and 6th period at 12:30. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you go into Infinite Campus, mark yourself as present for all 6 of your classes. And until next time, see you, Wildcats.